What's up, you guys? This is your boy T Studio X here, and this is gonna be a full footage of the end of summer fireworks. As we started off with the the national anthem, S12 Truck One that you see in the video. It's holding up the flag before the actual main event of the fireworks. And it was the first annual Dock Stock, which is a pretty cool shirt, and it's green. So they play. So those gentlemen, which they've done a pretty good job playing the music. So Jeremy James, Mike Cavalier, and Doc Cavallero, which I love these people. And the reason why I doing the voiceover, because there was music in the background coming from the radio station on the stage. So I didn't know they've been doing this fireworks, the end of summer fireworks, since 2013. So they've been doing this for like 12 years. So ever since 2017, I remember I started playing with Doc Possum, which I believe that was like that's pretty cool stuff. I like the music, what they have. The kids love the music. So yeah. So I like to think. So I like to thank the people that are shooting off fireworks, which is from Sky Shooter Display, which I like to thank them for that. So the vendors were there. There was like food and drinks at the vendors, and just some of the friends that I saw at the end of summer fireworks in Sarahborough. That's right, Sarahborough, the annual fireworks. Which I love those. I love those the events to end the summer. I like when we sing. I like how Doc Possum. How Doc. How he sings, how he plays his guitar, and I like his family. And I definitely like Spencer Cavallero. And I know he moved down to North Carolina earlier this year. So I remember I remember when I got something to eat there. So I had cheesesteak with cheese fries and root beer, regular root beer. So I remember having that. Well, the two other gentlemen was the first two gentlemen. They were playing the music while I was like eating and listening to the music. which was pretty awesome. I mean, I like doing I like doing I like I like doing that every year because in the summertime because so I know it's so I know the date so that date was on Saturday, August 23rd, I believe. Yeah, Saturday, August 23rd. So the music they were playing. So the music was on. I think it was on Wiggle 100, playing some country music, which I can't play on YouTube because it's copyrighted. So that's one reason why I have to mute out the ambient noise, like the music and the fireworks. I like hearing fireworks, but I had to mute the whole thing out. I wish there was a way to mute the whole thing out. I mean, not the whole thing out, just the music. So yeah, the weather was great. So the weather was not so bad. So I remember doing the footage of the fireworks, and they are phenomenal. So back then, so back, so the last video I remember recording. So I remember when I went to Corning. Yeah, that's right, Corning, the vlog that I did on August 14th. So I went up there and played up there, and the people had fun. It took place at the Joseph J. Nazar Civic Hockey Rink up in Corning. So I went up there and played with them up there. So I done a vlog. I done a vlog up there in Corning. So yeah. So I remember when Marisha played the drums. Doc played the guitar, and I was on my right side playing my guitar. Even there was no bass player, it still sounded good. I like how they played the rock and roll oldies from maybe 60s, 70s, 50s, 60s, 70s, maybe 80s, and all the like the old school music and stuff like that. You know, old school music where people usually sing with their own voice, with genuine instruments. I like how they make cover songs, which they're so good. So the last video I done basically a post-concert vlog with Doc Cavallero and Sarah, which was after the concert and after the fireworks. So I absolutely love this event. The last video, like I said, that I going to do, in the last video that I said, the last video that I said that I was going to do a footage of the fireworks with the voiceover, which I'm doing now, like I promised. So I made so I know my video pretty much got like a small screen because my phone had it sideways. So the video was sideways, so I had to fix it on the editing app. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it was a pretty good turnout at the fireworks. It was a pretty good turnout, which it is. So I remember the 3 pieces of apparatus from Sarah Fire Department. So I know there was 12 truck 1, which is the tower ladder, 12 engine 2, and 12 engine 3. So they're at the fireworks just in case when like fire breaks out, then the fireworks and stuff like that. And so yeah, I remember when people are cheering when the fireworks started, the display, the fireworks display, it was good. So yeah, like I said, the music was playing. So yeah, the music was playing in the background, but I had to pretty much mute it out because of trying to avoid copyright claims or strikes. I mean, there's no reason why we can't put music in our videos that we like. Back on July 4th, so I remember going to the 4th of July parade. And I was definitely in it with my car. So I won't forget about that day. And then on the same day, I went up to Corning and played with Doc Possum at the Radisson Hotel in Corning. That's twice as fun that I had. And I'm pretty sure it was fun. So I remember recording the fireworks with audio. So basically I done like a separate vlog, the 4th of July vlog, after Doc Possum's performance. And on the separate video, I've done the actual fireworks, the footage up in Corning for the 4th of July parade. I mean the 4th of July celebration. So the apparatus in the apparatus when I was like in East Smithfield, in East Smithfield. I remember. I think we were like on Water Street. That was off of Main Street. So we had the trucks. So we had the floats, tractors, trucks, cars, and other things that they were in the parade, like marching band and all that. From marching band from schools and stuff like that. So I want to remember what apparatus that was at that parade. And then the last video, and I forgot about one piece of apparatus that was from Athensboro, which I'm about to review. So there was. So I remember when I was right behind 3 Engine 3, which I believe that's the pumper tanker, with the tandem wheels, and I believe that is an, and I believe that's a E1 piece of apparatus, which is it was a pretty good truck, but it's not the trucks that's that. So I remember when I was behind. So I remember when I was behind 3 Engine 3 from East Smithfield. Smithfield Township Volunteer Fire Department. So behind me there was 26 Squad 1 from Litchfield and 3 Squad 1 from East Smithfield. And I believe there's 1 Engine 1, which that's the apparatus that I forgot. So 1 Engine 1, that's from Athensboro. So I remember seeing that. But there's more apparatus that I would able to that were in the parade in East Smithfield, the East Smithfield parade. So there was 3 Engine 1, 3 Engine 2, which is the rescue truck, and 3 Engine 3 is the pumper tanker, which they're all from East Smithfield. And there was 17 Tanker 4 from Ulster. There was 24 Engine 1 from Athens Township and 24 Engine 2. And there's 24 Squad 1. One piece of apparatus from South Waverly was 14 Engine 3. And there's 7 Brush Truck 2. I believe there was. I wasn't sure if 17 Squad 5 was there or not. Or 17 Brush Truck 1, I believe. I know there's 3 Brush Truck 1. Seven Brush Truck 2, that's from Monroeton. So yeah, so on July 4th, I enjoyed two events all in one day. So I really enjoyed the day with two fun summer events. I went to the Independence Day in East Smithfield, Pennsylvania, and the weather was beautiful for a Friday. And the second event, I went up to the Radisson Hotel, Corning, and played with music with Doc Paso. So yeah, I remember that. So I remember that. So I remember that the event was pretty cool, and a lot of people, I think, they were there. They were, they were all there. So I know Sayre Area School District, which I believe they started on the trying to figure what day that they started school. I know they started school on a Wednesday. It was like the last 2 weeks of August, which I believe. I'm trying to think what date it was. So Sayre's school started on the 27th. I mean, I take that back. I think they started on the 20th, August 20th, 2025. And Acid school started on the 25th, August 25th, which was their first student day. And it was pretty good. So I'd like to wish them the best of good luck for their school year. The class of 2026 senior class. So I remember seeing Skylar Young at the fireworks, the end of summer fireworks. So I know he's fresh out of high school since June. So I remember he came as a junior member when he started volunteering at his volunteer fire company. So I remember seeing him graduated in June because I was at his graduation. So I seen him graduate, so and I'd like to say best of good luck for the other two junior members for their senior year, Dominic Fasanella, which I love that guy, and Alston Stetch. Alston with the Y, and then Stetch. So I'd like to wish them best of good luck for their senior year, which I believe they both go to Sayre. And Jaden Johnson, which I believe I would wish him the best luck with his senior year as well for Athens, I believe. I don't know if he goes to Athens or Sayre, but I'm not sure about that. And the best of good luck for all the class of 2026 the senior class. So hopefully they'll proceed with the year. Proceed with the school year. And, you know, can you believe it's been like, what is it, 2 years since I've been volunteer at this township volunteer fire company as a due member, and South Waverly, that will be my primary. For South Waverly alone, I'm going to say about 12 years since I started being an active member and trying to do all the trainings and all that, taking classes and all that. So can you believe can you believe that time is just flying by, and it's flying fast? And I remember the LDH training on Tuesday night, excuse me. It was August 26th on Tuesday night. So I remember going to the Chemung boat launch right by CVS distribution center, the warehouse. So I remember the apparatus was there. 24 engine 1, 12 engine 2, 1 engine 1, Waverly Barton's 1302 fire engine, and another piece of apparatus, which I believe it's either utility truck or a brush truck. 1341. And there's 14 engine 3, 24 special unit 1. 24 special unit 1, that's just a regular pickup. Trying to figure any other pieces of apparatus that we've used at the boat launch that we done at LDH training, which was pretty cool. So the trainings, they were pretty cool. Like learning stuff from it. We go to like a real call. So yeah. So we had so pretty much I had fun with the valley-wide training. And anyway, it's the footage of the fireworks. I know, but trying to recap what it is, trying to do some recap with the fireworks. The fireworks are so amazing. And if you like this video, this lengthy video with the fireworks, make sure you hit that white pill subscribe button and ring that bell. Make sure you leave a comment a positive comment with positive vibes only, And make sure you share out the video to all the platforms if you can. Because, yeah, like I said, the fireworks are spectacular, and you know, I like to thank the Cerebro who hosted this event annually, because it keeps me occupied. I like listening to music, see the fireworks, and meeting friends. So if you like this video, make sure you share all of this out. And those are the photos and with Doc and the family. If you really enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, share out the video. And this is your boy T Studio X signing out.